How to upgrade Gemini AI subscription. Want more power from Gemini AI? Here's how to upgrade to Google AI Pro or Ultra. So go ahead and open up Gemini app or go to gemini.google.com, and then from here click on this sidebar at the top left, and then from here click on your profile, and then you should find the option to upgrade to Google AI Plus. So click on it. You'd basically find it at the very top, and that will take you here. So in here, you can go ahead and avail the Gemini AI subscription monthly or annual. So click on this get button and then go ahead and set up your payment method. So you can go ahead and manually enter it from here, or you can go ahead and pay using your Google Pay account. And that is how you can upgrade Gemini AI subscription.